Hey there, Dave Gardner here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Got Backup compensation plan. Now, if you're not sure what Got Backup is an automated cloud hosting platform that works not only on your computer but also on your iPhone, your Android, and it works seamlessly on the back end. And you can basically create your own folders, you can share stuff with other people, you can create virtual files or actually have local files. And so there's a lot in that. There's other videos, obviously. There's a whole FAQ question and section area. If you have any other questions, obviously I would direct you into those once you become a member, and you can find out a little bit more. Or you can check some further links down below, and there may be some other details. So one of the things I just want to point out, I'm going to quickly go through this one. There is links to both this and the quick guide below in the description. So I just want to go and break over some key things. One of the key things is that with Got Backup, we have the ability to obviously become affiliates and to earn commissions. And so, disclaimer: obviously, if you click the link below, I will be earning a commission. Hopefully, if you join my team. And so, over time, you can actually rank up. And so, Black Diamond is the goal of what we always want to get to, and that's when you have $1 million in sales. Currently, I am at this level right here. I'm at the Ruby. I've been part of the parent company for a while, so I've ranked up to Ruby. I'm actually in between the Ruby and the first Diamond level. I've had over, I believe, about $76,000 in sales over the last few years. And so obviously my goal is to become a Black Diamond. Now, as far as Got Backup has two price points, basically, or at least the two main ones that we would recommend. There's $9.97 a month or $99.97 for the year, which I would recommend because then you could actually save yourself 2 months' fees. And so if you come in, regardless of how you come in and you're sponsoring other people, if someone gets referred to you, or referred by you, I should say, at the monthly membership. So this first page is by the month, and then we're going to look at it if they come in at the yearly membership, just to show you the difference in the commissions. There is a nice little perk. Even though you're getting a smaller commission if they only come in at the month, you're actually getting a 200% commission. So notice these 200% if you sponsor them on the monthly, and then every month after that, it's a 25% commission. So if it's a $9.97 product, let's just round it up to 10 to keep it simple. If you sponsor someone, you're going to earn $20 if they come in at the membership monthly level. Okay, $20. Now, if they had paid $100 for the whole year, you're going to earn $50. So you're actually earning more, obviously, and you're getting that money sooner if they do the annual membership, which is, again, I highly recommend having that larger money amount up front. And it also secures them in, and they don't have to worry about, forgetting about their payment or updating their card, especially if they used a debit card and there was no money on the card, or a gift card, some gift visa, and, maybe it gets, blocked, or maybe it gets, declined because the funds aren't there. So having that payment up front is a nice benefit, and maybe you can give better bonuses for those people that come in at the yearly rate versus the the monthly rate, because obviously you're earning more off of them. And so if they come in at the monthly, again, it's a 200% commission. And once in a while, the CEO will even run contests where he offers a 300% commission, or maybe like the last day of the month, it might be a one-day thing. But generally speaking, it's at least 200%. So again, you're going to be earning about $20 for every person that you sponsor on the first month. And then every month thereafter, as long as they maintain their membership, it's a 25% renewal on the fee. And so they're going to be paid they're going to be charged their $997 a month membership fee. So again, keeping it simple, is $10 a month. You will earn a 25% commission on that, so $2.50 for every single person. So again, you earned $20 on their first month if they came in this way, and then over the course of the year, if they are earning $2.50, if you're earning $2.50 a month off of that, if we multiply that, the first 4 months, that's $10, and then 3 times, that'd be another $30. So you're still going to end up making $50, or pretty much the same thing as you had the other way, but instead of delaying it over the course of the year, you're getting it all up front, and it's also going to cost them more. But maybe their budget is limiting them to only be able to afford that $10 a month at a time. Now, I do have a special link below. There is an opportunity to get in where I can help waive the $40 one-time registration fee. So all you got to do is look for that below. If you want to go through the full process to see how the power line works and to see how, some other follow-up emails go in between and see what maybe other upsells you have, then you have the ability. There's another link for that as well. And again, you'd have a $40 affiliate registration fee one time, and then you'd get into the normal price point. Now, obviously, if you want to save that $40, if you only have $10 to your name, maybe business isn't for you right now, but obviously if it's something that you want, and if you have the extra $10, then obviously you can take that option. Like I said, I recommend getting it the yearly if you can. Now, the other thing is that people that come in might later on upgrade to other products or other services that is offered by the company. So you're going to get a 25% commission on each additional upgrade that they purchase at any time. And so some of those upgrades include maybe some storage, it could be the follow-up emails, and anything else after that. Now, compare that to, like I said, and I was kind of hinting at the yearly or the annual. If someone comes at the annual, you're going to earn a 50% commission. So the annual price is $99.97. So we'll keep it simple, call it $100. You're going to earn 50% of that and 50% on each additional year. So every year, obviously, that they come in, when they renew it a year later, you'd earn that $50 again. Also, if they were to come in and buy something else, 25% commission on those things. Now, notice how it's 50-50 all the way through, where before it was the 225. In reality, like I said, it balances out, but the question is whether they can afford it and whether you get it all at once, or whether they maybe have a limited budget and that's going to be spread out over time. Some people might decide that they want to leave after a few months and they realize it's not for them. The key thing with Got Backup is, if people are actually using Got Backup as a tool, which I would also highly recommend. If you look at some of the other videos, I already have quite a few gigabytes from my phone. All my videos and all my pictures automatically go up. Anytime I take new ones, they automatically end up in the Got Backup cloud and in that Got Backup area where you could actually log in on any computer anywhere in the world that has internet, and I can actually see my pictures. I can share pictures. I can let other people download them and see them. Or if I have groups, maybe people could submit new pictures if I wanted to have like a family event or whatever. So lots to do with that. Again, that would all be in the FAQ section and or training sections inside the member area. Now, another cool thing about Got Backup, in addition to the direct commissions, you also have matching bonuses. And the matching bonuses are going to be paid basically once a month. It says every Friday, but notice how it says with a 4-week lag. So today is January 1st. Let's say someone joins you on January 1st. You're not going to get paid for 4 weeks on that. Basically, it's a month. And then let's say someone joins you next Monday, which is January 8th, and then someone joins you the Monday after, January 15th. You'd be getting, to keep things simple, you'd be getting a pay on that on February 1st, February 8th, and February 15th. So you're getting and have the ability to get paid every week, but a lot of these are overlaps. So the more people you have come in and have joined you throughout the process, and you have different sales that come in through the month, and it will seem like you have commissions continuing to flow instead of waiting to the very, very end. Now, the key thing here with the matching check bonuses, it is a 25%, and that is regardless of where those people are. They could be, in your first level, if you put them, if they're the first 2 people that you have sponsored, but also if you have depth there, you also have a build-up. And so there's a couple examples here. I'm not going to get into detail. Again, there's the links here. You can check them out for yourself. So regardless of what these people made, if you sponsored all of them, you're going to earn a 25% commission. So, if person number 1 had $1,000, you're going to earn $250. If this person only had $100, you're going to earn $25. If this person only made $10, you're going to earn $250 of that. So hopefully that makes sense. You're going to be earning on that. Now, that's usually the recurring months. That's not the initial month. Okay, one thing I want to point out, because they are paying a 200% commission on the initial month, that does not qualify. It is the following months and the rebuild months after that where those bonuses will come into play. So keep that in mind and keep that in perspective. If you're starting to sponsor people and you're wondering, okay, well, why didn't I get anything? It's because it starts on that next month. They're already, losing money by paying twice as much as it costs. But then obviously on the following months, when they're only paying 25%, they have a better ability to pay 25% to the sponsor, give 25% of what that person makes to you. And then obviously that's going to pass up through multiple levels. And so lots of options there. And then one of the other cool things is as team growth continues, depending on how many people you have on your left leg versus your right leg in this binary, you can earn part of the basically profit sharing in additional income. And so you have to obviously have active members that are in those legs. If someone is in there and they paid for the year, then technically they're active. Or if they're paying monthly, they're active. But obviously if they've canceled their membership, or maybe they only bought a product that doesn't have an actively billing membership, then they might not count towards that. And so what you're looking for is a 4-to-2 ratio. And it doesn't matter if there's 4 on the left and 2 on the right, or 2 on the left and 4 on the right. As long as there's that combination, that completes a cycle. And every cycle gives you a bonus commission. The more that the company makes, obviously, the greater those bonus commissions are. And so if you go on to the webinars that the CEO and some of the other trainers have, they go a little more in depth into obviously all of this. And a lot of them will be placed in what's known as your holding tank, people that will join you, and you have the ability to place them wherever. Now, obviously, to give the benefit of the doubt to the people, it's obviously if someone comes in first, you should place them higher up. But you do have the ability to place them under somebody else, especially if someone was working very hard and they're growing a big team or at least taking action. Maybe you place someone under them as well. I would highly recommend always placing on the outside legs, which you can see in other training videos. And the last thing here, just talking about, like I mentioned, $9.97 a month. That's the generic monthly payment. Or if you want to do the annual, I would recommend the annual, because not only does it show that you're interested and invested for the full year, but you don't have to worry about forgetting about any payments later on. You're going to earn a higher commission, and maybe you can give more in bonuses. Now, all of that has also been wrapped up into one. There's another link down below as well, into one form that basically shares all this. And so, as I mentioned, if you're doing a monthly member on the first month, it's going to be a 200% commission. If they are a yearly member, you're going to get a 50% commission. So again, on the monthly, if we're going to use $10 or $100 for the monthly price or the annual price, if you sponsor someone and they come in at a monthly, you're going to earn $20, which is pretty cool. And then every month after that will be $2.50. If you do the yearly, the first month is going to be $50, and then every year after that will be $50. You won't earn anything else for the rest of the year, but it basically balances out, because again, $2.50, if we multiply that 4 times, okay, for 4 months, which is the average life expectancy of a lot of people in business like this, that's going to be an additional $10. Now, if you think about there being 12 months in a year, 4 times 3 is 12. 10 times 3 is going to be $30. You earn 20 on the first month and then another 30 later. So you're getting the same amount, whether it's the monthly or the yearly. It's just obviously better to get it up front. The check pay, 25%. So regardless of where these people are that you personally sponsored, you're going to earn 25% of whatever they earned. And then we have the cycles. Every 4 and 2 you have that are active is going to earn you basically a share in that profit sharing. And obviously the more that the company does, the greater those shares are going to be. Payments are every week, and you can get paid either through, I believe, Payoneer and also through Wise. And I believe right now they've added the ability to pay and to join with cryptocurrency. But until things maybe stabilize, until more people, take action in that regards, you're not able to get paid with crypto yet. So that might be something that's coming down the road. So make sure that obviously you open up your emails from Got Backup and from the corporate. So if you have any questions or concerns, thoughts, leave your ideas below. I'd look forward to working with you and help you out any way I can. A lot of the training videos inside the member area, if we just take a quick look at the member area for a minute, especially right here under the digital tools, if you create your account under digital tools in the lead capture system, there's not a button right here, but for example, if you start to create follow-up messages and you want to stay in touch with your members or anyone that is signed up through your link, if you set that up the correct way, I have training videos that are actually in the member area that I helped the company create a couple years back with the parent company. And so my computer's running a little slow. I apologize for that. So the speed isn't just going right to the next page. But on a lot of the pages, you're going to find that there's an orange button. And on that orange button is a training video that I've created. So I was hoping this would move a little bit faster. Let me just click one of the other buttons. Again, it's probably on my end because, so you can see, I got lots of tabs open, working on a little older computer. I obviously have my, recording capture video software going. So what I'm talking about right here is a lot of these, in order to send a broadcast or do a follow-up, if you click watch the training video, there is a video and it's actually done by me. So if you, I'm not going to click it because it's loud, but or at least loud because it's the internal audio, but you'll see that it's me in there. And so I have a lot of experience doing and using the follow-up software. If you check out my videos, make sure you subscribe. You'll see that there's also another video here related to how to actually follow up with any of the leads that you get if you're going to promote Got Backup. Now, obviously, I would recommend using it as a tool and saving up your data, saving your videos, saving your music, saving your, your documents, all things digital for you and, an unlimited number of family members. You can go up to, I believe, 6 terabytes, or you can get the upgrade, which you possibly saw in, one of those other little clips or one of the slides. And so having this ability and not having to fear if your computer crashes, you lose your phone, something dies, the battery stops, and you can't access anything, then you also always have this available. So again, if you have anything that you want to know any further detail about, click below. You can do a little trial. We always have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.